This house feels so good, but this TV show sucks.
No,
Hey, you will
I don't
die,
want to
and
die.
I don't
Please
care
don't
if
kill
you
me.
A tornado? Let me check the windows. Oh my god, I need to go to my basement. I feel safe in here. Oh no, I forgot all my moves. I guess I will die.
Look at this tornado. Seems like this tornado is very strong. I swear I saw something. It was probably just my imagination. I think that the damage will be worse. This damage looks way worse than in my head. Maybe the other area is way worse than this one. Yeah, this is way worse. Might check the other areas again. Wait, is that a dead body? Maybe my imagination was not imagination.